Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is a very simple cooking. We are going to make a chicken barbecue in this skewer, and then we also have asparagus to partner with our barbecue. And later I'm gonna make a steamed rice, white rice with butter and spring onion. All right, so let's start cooking. So first thing first is we have to marinate the chicken breast, and what we have here again is 6 pieces of chicken breast. We have paprika, we have salt and pepper, black pepper mixed together. We have minced garlic. We have 1 lime. I cut it in half. This is soy sauce, and this is vinegar. Actually, this one is apple cider vinegar. You can use any type of vinegar, and it's because barbecue chicken we add brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use fine granulated sugar, white sugar. Okay, so now we will add our garlic to marinate it. Just dump everything in there. I wash my hands, guys, okay? Make sure you wash your hands too. This is the soy sauce. Our vinegar, not too much. Not gonna put the whole thing because we have to put the lime. We have our salt, black and pepper. We do paprika. We do brown sugar. Just put everything. And then you squeeze the lime. Okay. This flavor, you want to balance the saltiness, the sourness, and the sweetness. Brown sugar. Okay, again, I wash my hands, so I'm just gonna start massaging the sliced chicken breast. Okay, and there you go. You will sit this overnight as long as you want. Overnight, another night. The longer it marinates is the better. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Pan is hot. I have to put a little butter in here. adjust the heat. Make sure it's not too hot so the pan doesn't burn. And then we start putting our chicken barbecue. It looks like this, guys. You see? I actually cut the end, both ends, because this part is sharp, and then I cut the handle part so it will fit in my griddle. Just put it like this. And this is, I use chicken breast for these, guys. You can actually use chicken with bone in if you want, you know. You can do that, but of course it will cook longer. And then we will glaze it with, this is a banana ketchup, guys. You're like, banana ketchup? Okay, well, this is what we use back in the Philippines when I was growing up. This is what we used to glaze the barbecue to make it tasty. Oh my goodness, it's smelling good. And it looks like that. Flip it and adjust the heat back into not too high. I would say medium high. And you want to make sure the meat cook evenly. So you don't want your heat too hot. So your meat doesn't burn on the outside and the inside is actually still not cooked. So we will kind of like slow cook them. Okay. And then once you flip that on that one side, you can glaze it with this banana ketchup. Brush it on the top. These add flavors to your barbecue. Yeah, I remember growing up, you know, maybe high school time, after school, go home, then help my parents you know, run the business. And then the restaurant back then is actually close to the wharf. Is it the wharf area where the ferry boat, you know, the commercial one, ferry boat will dock, and then the passenger will, you know, get out, and then of course they're hungry, so they're looking for a place to eat. So some of them will, you know, will go to my parents' restaurant because they are known to have good food. And then this is one of them. And so sometimes we will actually bring these, like wrap it, it's already cooked, wrap it in like a plastic to be, you know, make sure it's all fresh, and then walk around in the buses because the passenger will go straight to the bus, you know, wants to go home. But then they're like, oh, we want to eat something. So we will walk around the bus. It's like, hey, who wants barbecue? And then with that hanging rice, that puso, you know, I mean, Filipino can relate, you know, if they grow up like like me. Again, adjust the heat to low heat. Oh my god, it smells really good. Can you smell it? You brush the other side. Make sure you move them around. Wowie, wowie. Looks like barbecue to me. Chicken kebab. Right, and then we flip it again. And this is actually done. So we are about to finish our last batch. It's almost done. And then we can cook our asparagus. So, okay, this one is done. Put it there. It's done. Let's turn off our heat. These. Oh. All done. And now I have a cast iron to cook for our asparagus. Okay. And the barbecue is ta-da! Okay. So you just put it like that. Again, guys, this is a simple meal. Very easy to make. Not a lot of chopping, you know. It's just a lot of flipping. You cook this asparagus based on, you know, what you like, you know. Some people like it all the way through, like cook it all the way through. Actually, you can eat this raw. Have you tried that, guys? You can eat asparagus raw. I tried it and it's actually good. It tastes like it's like you're eating nuts, you know. Yeah. No, it's good. You should try it. Make asparagus salad. Yeah. I like them. I was surprised. I was like, oh, you can actually eat this raw. So there you go. There you go. That's what you're looking for. Oh, it's smoky, smoky. You like that. Okay. So that's what you want. That's what you want, guys. You see, like that. That's what you like. Okay, so this is done. Simple and delicious. It's very easy and healthy. I mean, you can cook this. You can eat this just like this. Barbecue with your asparagus. But for us, we have to have rice. Rice. I gotta have rice. Okay, guys. Now that our chicken barbecue is done cooking and the asparagus Now I'm gonna make the rice. So what we do is we'll get our butter. And just add it in there. This is salted butter, by the way, guys. Salted butter. So we'll just use that. We'll add some more if we want to. Okay, and you let it melt into the rice, and then you have a spring onion. Put that aside. Slice them thinly. You see, very thin. See if that's enough. Yep, that's enough. And then you'll mix them. And you add ground black pepper. You don't want to add salt in here because the butter is already salted butter. And then also, you don't want to overpower the flavor from your barbecue and also with your asparagus. Okay, so there you have it. This is our dinner. Dinner is served. Alright guys, so it's very simple. This is a simple dinner, as I said. I'm pretty sure your family will love this. So if you like this show, my cooking today, hit the like button, subscribe, and try it for yourself. Thank you, and see you for the next show. Bye!